Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I groom my eyebrows at home. This is a really easy and fast way to make your eyebrows really nice without even filling them in. So first I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush up the hairs. And so basically what you're going to want to do to decide where you want to tweeze is just to locate what general shape you want. I'm thinking kind of more of an arch for this time around. So I'm going to tweeze all of the excess hairs, as you can see right there, to make the shape. When it comes to the eyebrow hairs that are closest to the shape, I would say be really careful with how you tweeze, not to go overboard. It's really easy to overpluck. So just look in the mirror and check how it looks from far away before you keep going. It's important to pluck not only the bottom part of the eyebrow, but also the top. So you just want to comb the hairs down like that to see which eyebrow hairs you need to pluck. And just make sure you go in the shape that you want. And also when plucking, just take it out in the direction that the hair grows so it hurts less. So you really want to brush up the eyebrows to see where all the longer hairs are. If you have more bushy eyebrows, it's easy to see. So what you want to do is just carefully cut off the tops of the eyebrow hairs, which makes your eyebrows look much more sharp and it makes them easier to fill into. So you want to do the same by brushing the eyebrow hairs downwards, which actually makes it even easier to see how long the hairs are, and carefully cut off the bottom of them. And this again will make your eyebrows look much more clean and just more neat. So the last step is to use this little eyebrow razor to really clean everything up, and just very gently at an angle go with the razor on a downward motion on the top of your eyebrows and stop right above where your eyebrow starts, and do the same with the bottom. Be very, very careful with this because it's easy to cut not yourself but the eyebrow hairs, and you don't want to have an accident and cut your eyebrows off. So be really careful with this, but I think this adds a really nice precision and a really nice clean look to your brows. If you're worried about your eyebrows being uneven, just look for any extra hairs that you see that might be able to come off without it being too much of a difference in the shape. And then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next video.